Janice Baliaga Digamo, kauban sa Team Arriba, na akaroon si Attorney Nico Ramirez. Good evening. Ato ang Barangay Captain, Kapitan Naldo Tudumia. Di ko kitang kapitan pero naasa ni Janet. Among kauban sa council, si Council Rosemary, Council Hasmin, Councilor Janjan Ramirez, Council Jojo Garcia, Council Rangel, and Councilor Maricel. Atong SK Chairman Joseph Butip, kauban sa iyang councilors. Ako dyan isang recognize kay kabalo kong silang tanang kahilan, tanong na dyan kaayo, pariyaming feeling. SK Kagawad, Erica Cariday, Jean Ruth Lutero, Kent Vida Flores, Erwin Vida Flores, Stephanie Yacob, Baby Jane Torres, ang Secretary si Reynaldo Isula, ang Treasurer Daniela May Royoso. Amo pong Secretary and Treasurer si PMA Auntie Lorena. Kanatong tanan, our visitors, good evening. So we are very happy na po sa usa ka successful na po nga gabi diin na Akitay Bikini Open as one of our highlights sa ato ang pag-celebrate sa atong fiesta in honor with our patron saint, Senior San Vicente Ferrer. Nalibo ko kay 2 nights ago na atay Queen Sans, and I was telling everyone nga this is the new beautiful nga kana galing embracing our imperfections nga bisag unsa ta kadako kagamay kaputi ka itong okay lang kay as long as we are happy with ourselves, then that's what really matters. Karon pod naapod ato ang masaksihan ng ato ang mga sexy kaayo nga mga dalaga bulitawo around Negros Oriental. So I just want to say nga this would serve also as an inspiration to everyone nga pwede ra gyud ay magpa-sexy, okay ra gyud ay, no? This doesn't mean nga kanang ato as lang i-exploit, but this is showing their kanang beauty inside and out. Ako ang cousin, one time ni share siya nga kay gamay naman siya, ana siya nga sige na daw siya chatan siyang bana. Asa naman ka gaon sa kaniya? Anong duhay kang nauli inana? Because there is improvement. Ako personally, I would like to tell you, going back to COVID times, hindi mabalik ang COVID na, pero 3 years ago, I was 50 kilos, pero karon naadan tag 15. And then, I think that's okay, regardless of kung sa to ang size and shape. Basta kay confident enough ta sa toong kagalingon, and then that's what really matters. So, ato ang mga candidates po karon ilang i-showcase ang ilang kanang results sa ilang pinaningkamutan, no? Some of them have worked out 2-3 times a week to kanang realize their goal sa ilang lawas, and then they are also into proper diet, which is very kanang challenging po, no? Kay kita diri sa ato adagang kita mga food nga ganahang kanon, pero sila kay very disciplined kaayo when it comes to that. Also ganahan na po ning I think this will be my last message, no, kay wala naman tayo yung program. Let me just take this opportunity to thank our sponsors sa atong lain-lain nga event. Dili ko malimot ani nila kay ang among mabalik nila is pasalamat lang yun sa ilahang mga grasya gipaabot na mo through the years. No, mabalik ra jud ko sa atong Mrs. Latagon sponsors. We have Mr. Dondon Garcia Mira, Miss Nancy, Teacher Lani, Honorable Bernat de Gracia, Mrs. Rachel Lood Sinda, Ate Nikki Joy Banlaygas, Miss Dwight Cosgafa, John Agustin Yaco, Ate Petmay Sorenio, Miss Hazel Garcia, Ma'am Catherine C., Mr. Anilo Alabo, Miss Caroline Ate Carot Manaban, Mr. and Mrs. Jojo Ragal, Miss Shanice Torres, Mrs. Josephine Pantiliano, Mr. Ruel Sorenio, Engineer Fermer Rioso, and Mr. Gogong Duran. Naapo tayo sponsors sa ato ang flowers para sa ato ang chapel for our upcoming fiesta. We have Sir Jojo Rangal, Engineer Fermer Rioso, Miss Dana Rhea Garcia, Sir John Rafael Cañete. Miss Russell Restain, the Villegas family, and Mrs. Josephine Pantiliano. Also, our sponsor for our fiesta celebration, we have Sir George Racal, Sir Nilo Labe, the C5 Hardware, Sir Edgar Iba, Sir Donton Racal, Attorney Nico Ramirez, Sir Nilo Labe, Ma'am Maribel Shua, and I think naapay kaming, no? Also, thankful po kayo sa ato ang makeup artist during our events. We have John Agustiniaco, Daniel Miparano, Janiela Tabalok, and si J.I. Ato ang tabulators every night. We have Dwight, Neslin, Pia, John Ali. Ato ang crew, silang AJ and RD. Our candidates, our participants, our sound system provider, tanan-tanan nga part sa ato ang success sa ato ang laylaing events. Thank you so much. Our host also, si Kerwin and Denzel Chi. Thank you so much for always saying yes. And also, narami announcement, ongoing pa itong inter-barangay basketball competition. Tomorrow na ada ay diridula katong sa Racal nga liga. So, mudula po ang team Datagon. So, isa home court advantage kanila. So, palitan mo laag diri sa to ang barangay. And on our Dispiras and Fiesta, we will have a big disco featuring Asaya Mobile. So, thank you so much. Before I forget, I would like to thank Tita Jerry Ama for my hair, Joanna for my falsies and my beautiful nails, and Casa Mega for my accessories. Thank you also to everyone who have witnessed our shows tonight, and we just hope and pray nga tagatag maayong chimpo sa ato ang labang makagahom o sa ato ang patron, Senior San Vicente Ferrer. And happy Fiesta Barangay Datagon! Viva Senior San Vicente Ferrer! Viva Senior San Vicente Ferrer! Viva Senior San Vicente Ferrer! Thank you so much. O dayon ka mo sa among baryo nga gamay. Datagon